GPT-4o has just been released in the OpenAI Spring Update, and it brings a whole new host of features and improvements that will shake up the AI industry as a whole. This gives new opportunities for all businesses, large or small, to implement AI or improve their existing AI automations. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 opportunities, but first, my name's Ibrahim. I've been coding for 6 years and I create custom-tailored AI automations for businesses to help them thrive ahead of the curve. Now let's get to the video. Before we dive into these cool new opportunities, we've got to understand what's new about this model. So I've created some illustrations to just show you how it worked before and how it works now. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see here, we've got GPT-4 Vision. And basically, it's a model that can see and also understand text. So we get an image input and a text input. We put that into GPT-4 Vision and we get a text output. It's pretty simple. This is probably the closest we've gone to GPT-4o before. And the next one is GPT-4 via voice. Now, this is how a lot of voice AI assistants also work, like VARP or Bland. So let's just give you a quick rundown of this. So we have the spoken audio coming in from the user. We then put that through a speech-to-text model and get that transcribed text. Then we feed that into GPT-4 and wait for the output. Once we get that output, we put it through a text-to-speech model and we get the audio output, which is played back to the user via phone or via their device. Now, because there's so many steps involved and 3 different models, it can take up to 5.4 seconds on average for a response to get back to the user. Now, this is quite a lot of time considering that this is a conversation, and this is also a shared problem between many voice assistants as well. So GPT-4o aims to fix all of these problems. So if we come over here and I just hide my camera, you'll see we have audio, image, video, and text inputs on the left, and we can also have the same types of outputs on the right. And what's different about this is that because we're putting in the audio directly, we get all that information such as emotion or different speakers, which helps the model figure out who's who and how the person is feeling to give a better response as well. As we can see, the audio is also outputted directly. There's no models in the middle, so it means that the model can also express emotion and vary its speed of speech. We also have video output, so the model can also output 3D renders and different videos using probably the OpenAI Sora model. And we also have traditional text input and output, just like all the other GPTs. This is all cool, but how does it stack up against GPT-4, for example? Well, it's 2 times faster at text answers, 2 times cheaper as well than GPT-4 Turbo, and it's a whopping 16 times faster in voice applications. This is a huge leap from before, where we used to have a latency of on average of 5.4 seconds. Now it's around 320 milliseconds on average, which is the same, if not faster, than the average human response time as well. All of these features and improvements unlock a lot of opportunities to implement AI into your business today, which I'll go over now. Opportunity number 1, faster, more human-like AI voice assistants. With GPT-4's impressive speed in voice applications, AI voice assistants over the phone, such as VAPI AI, could become a lot more faster and hence more viable and cheaper. Moving on, we have enhanced customer support via video and voice. Imagine having an AI customer support rep guide you through the process of setting up your new product. Using GPT-4o's video capabilities, you can make that a reality by creating a customer support agent that can see live video and guide customers through finding the serial number or troubleshooting their product and even setting it up. This helps businesses cut down on time spent on calls like this, helping them to slash costs as well. Number 3, analyzing footage. Moving on from the last point, you could feed GPT-4o with videos such as CCTV or lectures to get a summary from it. Or you could take it a step further and ask it to look out for when something took place in that video. This solution could save businesses in the security industry a lot of hours scrubbing through CCTV footage from multiple camera feeds. Number 4, staff training and onboarding via live video and screen share. Onboarding isn't easy, especially when there are lots of new systems that an employee has to get used to, such as CRMs, custom software, or even electrical tools. An AI assistant such as GPT-4o could have access to these manuals and guide new staff through these systems via video or even screen sharing. This could save businesses countless hours by removing the burden of helping employees navigate through these new systems. And finally, we have digitizing physical documents. Imagine having AI right by your side to do all the data entry for you in a matter of seconds and not hours. GPT-4o can read text from images and documents and turn that into structured data that can be put into things like Excel spreadsheets. This is really useful for things like receipts, reports, or even invoices. This saves businesses countless hours of manual data entry, in turn helping them keep on top of their expenses and save more money. If you found anything in this video helpful, please do give us a like because this does help the channel out a lot, and subscribe for more AI automation tips and tricks. In my next video, I'll show you step by step how to create an AI sales assistant for your website or social media, which can book appointments internationally while handling multiple time zones. As always, if you want to have an AI consultation with me or work with us at AI Boosted, please do check out the link below. We at AI Boosted can help you automate your business with AI, helping to elevate it and keep it ahead of the curve from all other businesses. Well, that's all from me, and I'll see you in the next one.